Mayor es mío, mi espacio, mi casa, mi estilo de vida.
Hello, I'm Wang, Regional Sales Manager for CHC Navigation. CHC is a leading GPS manufacturer from Shanghai, founded in 2003. Our main products including GNSS equipment, total station, mobile mapping system, GIS device, deformation solutions. We have been in this business for more than 15 years. Now it's very pleased to be here in this university to introduce our new technology. So thank you.
Impresionado con la charla de hoy, puesto que los instrumentos de precisión son algo importante en la tecnología que estamos desarrollando nosotros, y para un futuro con lo que se va a trabajar va a ser algo que para el desarrollo del país y también de la misma ciudad nos va a servir mucho.
GNSS business is highly related to our daily life. The equipment can be used for road construction, mining, marine survey. So the world is developing. We need this kind of high technology for the bright future.
Es muy importante la charla que nos dieron el día de hoy acerca de expodrones, ya que pues, obtuvimos conocimientos nuevos acerca de la geomática. Esto es muy importante para nuestra carrera, ya que pues, con el manejo de drones tenemos más facilidades para captar información, para distribuirla y para procesar datos.
GNSS technology is the latest technology related to our daily life. So of course for scientific research, students, teachers, they all need to keep up with the latest technology. So of course students, they need to upgrade their knowledge about the GPS, and of course in the future for the surveyors, or we say engineers, they are professional, is the geomatic. So in their future life, of course, they will use similar products, and of course, they will benefit from their hard work.